Well, and the BJP's dilemma continues. It's not like it's all hunky-dory for them. They've got a lot of electoral mathematics still to take care of if the numbers don't finally add up. Now remember, Sharad Pawar's NCP has been sending feelers to the NDA, to the BJP, but now the BJP, which had been quite ambiguous about the kinds of partners it would like to have, keeping its doors fully open, fully in the knowledge that it may need, crucial partners to actually shore up those crucial numbers, to form a government next week. Now, the BJP's Maharashtra cell, as well as the Shiv Sena, its NDA ally, have put their foot down and said, slam the door on Sharad Pawar or else.
Midway between the last phase of polls and the counting day, a string of high-powered BJP meetings in Delhi. Rajnath and Gadkari held separate consultations with Sushma Swaraj, who is close to Advani, on Wednesday. Three senior BJP leaders, Rajnath, Arun Jaitley and Nitin Gadkari, flew down to Gandhinagar to meet PM candidate Narendra Modi. Clearly, the center of all the hectic parley is no longer Delhi. 2 days before poll results, Narendra Modi had summoned the party top brass to his own backyard. A clear message to the top brass that he is in absolute control. Though the official reason, of course, is that Modi was too busy campaigning over the last few months and had pending work and meetings lined up.
हम लोगों की बराबर जो है दिल्ली में बैठक होती रहती है। यदि वो वहाँ पर बैठक करने के लिए आते, स्वाभाविक रूप से पूरे दिन भर का समय जाता। मोदी जी दिल्ली का मैंने कुछ बातें तो मैंने कहा कि टेलीफोन पर लंबी बात तो संभव नहीं हो पाएगी, इसलिए थोड़ी देर साथ बैठते हैं और साथ बैठने के बाद तो इलेक्शन कैंपेन का जो अपना अनुभव रहा है उसको शेयर करेंगे।
Sources tell headlines today that the meeting between the BJP top brass and Modi lasted for about 5 hours. In the marathon meeting, key issues like accommodating party veteran LK Advani and other senior leaders were discussed. The issue of potential allies is also believed to have dominated the discussions. The issue of Modi's successor was also touched upon, but after the huddle, BJP said that a final call on these issues will be taken by the party's parliamentary board.
17 मई को नरेंद्र भाई मोदी ये दिल्ली आए और उसी दिन मैं पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड की बैठक बुलाऊंगा कि इसकी क्या भूमिका होगी। इस संबंध में जो हमारी पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड की बैठक होगी उसमें हम लोग विचार विमर्श करेंगे। आगे भी हम लोग अनौपचारिक तरीके से भी बैठेंगे और उसमें सबकी भूमिका के बारे में हम लोग फैसला करेंगे।
Sources say that the 5-hour-long marathon meeting between Narendra Modi and top BJP leaders discussed the possibility of respectable roles to senior BJP leaders, including Lal Krishna Advani. But for the records, the BJP is saying that there is nothing more to be read between the lines in these hectic parleys. With camera person Raju Revankar, Kamlesh Sutar in Gandhinagar for Headlines Today.